For those who don't know, I am in Hong Kong and we are going to the nighttime market. Let's go! This must be it. Smells incredible. Is this a food market? I thought it was like a clothes market. I didn't want the food market. Oh, that stinks. Stinky tofu. I want to vomit. Oh god. So many foods, so many foods. Yeah, here we are. This is what we came for. This is what we came for. Look at that, how cool is that? That's so cool. Look at that. So cool. There's some bling bling.
How much you want to pay? About 150 for one. Happy. How much you last?
100.
Give me more.
No, I can't. Thank you.
120. 120.
Oh, no, thank you.
Okay.
100?
Only for your wife for happy.
Of course, for my wife.
Only for you. I can sell 380. Nico looks like the real, in no fake. Can put waterproof.
I don't want gold. I'm not a Chinese gangster. I'm not triad. I'm just a normal person.
This side.
Oopsies. Crashing into people. Crashing, crashing, crashing. Some Gucci. Gucci, Gucci. Gucci and Coochie. How cool is that? I love HK.
No?
Hold on.
Well, that's all from me, Maverick Lee. I hope you enjoyed this short little ASMR walking tour of the nighttime and food market here in Hong Kong. If you like this video, don't forget, hit like on the video. It's very important that I get your like. Why? Because your like helps support this channel and it encourages me to keep producing content just like this for you all. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos on my channel for further content just like this. Remember, without you, none of this is possible. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Adios, amigos.